it's finally here. Today we have the unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro. Here we have the newest phone from Google, the Pixel 7 Pro, which I'm going to unbox today and then start the process of doing a review. The review should be out by sometime next weekend. So let's get going. We have some tabs back here that I'm going to pull. And there's paper tabs, and there's another one here. And the box seems about the same as last year's. I don't think it's any thicker. Here we go. Nothing in there. Exactly the same box as last year, actually. I have the phone here. This is that hazelnut color, which doesn't really look that hazelnut to me. We'll look at the phone in just a minute. Let's see what's inside the box. So we have the exact same things that we got last year with the Pixel 6. We have the USB adapter, which is USB-A to USB-C adapter. The camera is picking it up there. There we go. So there you have that. And we have a USB-C cable. We have some paperwork. And then that is it. Nothing else in the box. And so now we have the hazelnut phone. Now, the reason I went with that color is because it really is the only different color that they have. Otherwise, it's white or black. Last year, I got the black color, or whatever they call this color, the gray color for the phone. And so I figured, why not change it up and see what the new color brings. Now, to me, this color is more gold with, I will say, snot green, because it really looks like snot green. But let's look at the front of the device first. So we have here your SIM card tray, which is going to be right here on the side. Your USB-C charger, of course, here at the bottom. Your fingerprint sensor. Then we have that power button here. And then we have your volume rocker here on the sides. So we're going to go into that more into detail. And then here in the back, we have the newest color. As you can see, is gold on the top, and then that green color, like I said, that to me kind of looks like snot green. And then on the sides we have this gold trim, and it's very, very polished metal. The camera is really big. Here we can see the difference between the camera modules here between the 6 and the 7 right there. So they have made more of an effort to differentiate the cameras there, because last year it was really hard to tell where the cameras were. So this year they're fixing it with the framing there, and the framing looks like the eye, letter I. So let's remove the cover, and then we got the front of the screen, which really looks, let's see if I can make it not come on. Turn the screen on. They pretty much look exactly the same. Like if you were looking at them from the front, they look exactly like the same device. All right, so I'm turning on the device, and while the device is getting turned on, I'm going to let you know that I have this RAM stick here. I'm going to start working on the upgrade RAM for the laptop. I have another stick coming in a couple days, so that video coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to see the full review of the Pixel 7 Pro and the upgrade RAM for the laptop. So here we have it on. Welcome to Pixel. The device is very shiny, as you can see. It looks like it can be a fingerprint magnet if you grab it too much. Let's see what happens if I touch here, here, here. Can you see any fingerprints there? No fingerprints. Very, very surprising. I would have thought that it would be fingerprints, seeing how shiny the camera module is. Then we have that green color glass, just like the last one. Not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of the gold here. I didn't know it's gonna be this golden. Otherwise, I would have just stuck to my black color that I usually get. I thought that this was going to be more copper-like based on the renders that I've seen. The phone feels very light. Here we have the power button. Here we have the volume rocker. The top here is now all metal. It was plastic up here before. It's now all metal here. We have the camera housing that is all brush aluminum, and then we have all glass on the back. And then here we have the USB-C charger, and one of these is going to be the speaker grill, because this is a stereo, but it has the speaker grill app here. Here we have front-facing camera. Front looks pretty much exactly the same. It is still rounded on the sides. It looked, based on what I had seen on the video of presentation, that it wasn't going to be rounded, but it is. I don't think it's as rounded as the Pixel 6 Pro, but it's still a rounded screen here on the sides, which is a little disappointing. I was hoping that it would be just a straight thing, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be the case. And here we can get a better look at the cameras. We have the flash and the 3-camera module there, which is a lot easier to see than last year. Last year was really hard to see, it just looked like a big black band there. Alright, so that has been the unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro. Like I said, coming up, you're going to have the full review of the device, and we're going to have some videos comparing the Pixel 7 to the Pixel 6 to see what has changed, to see if the upgrade is worth it or not for you to put your money down on these devices, or should you just buy the Pixel 6 Pro if there's not a big change. Maybe that is what is going to be. I don't know. You have to tune in. You have to make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that review. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want to know about the phone specifically that I can answer for you for the review, let me know in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching.